backstage with Chloe. Say hi, Chloe.
Hi.
And Charmel. Say hi, Charmel.
Hi.
And they are what we know as the Suitcase Girls for Deal or No Deal. So how did you land this job?
First, we auditioned for the first season and also for the second season.
How did you audition? Could you tell me?
Of course, we lined up, and then we were asked to dance, to sing, and to do ramp modeling.
Oh, so what type of dance?
Party dance, any kind of dance. They were just looking at us, and they were trying to tell us to do something and to see if we were gonna follow them.
So how many people were selected? How many girls were selected?
During that.
Yeah.
Around 90.
Wow. Okay. So how did you?
90.
How many auditions basically did you?
A lot. 5, no? Slowly.
5 auditions.
Yeah.
Why did you apply for this job, may I ask?
Because I don't have job. I don't have job, I'm a bum, so...
But why this particularly? Why Deal or No Deal?
I don't know, maybe it's God's
will.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
So every when do you shoot?
Wednesday and Friday.
Every Wednesday and Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, what do you...
I go to school.
Oh, you're still in school?
Yeah.
What school are you from?
Asia Pacific College.
Okay, you're what year then? And how old?
Second year college.
Oh, so you're what? 18? 19?
No, I'm 20.
Oh, you're 20. And what about you, Sharma? What do you do Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays?
Nothing. Just sleeping. Sometimes racket, work outside.
Like what racket?
For example, events
Mhm.
or TV guesting. It depends.
Is this the second season of Deal or No Deal?
Yes.
So how is that? When your contract ends, what are you planning to do after?
We hope for to get another job in show business also.
Okay, that's both of you. Also you, Sharma.
Yeah.
Are you guys delving into like acting, singing, or dancing?
Yes.
How are you preparing for that?
I've done a lot of workshops for acting, also for musical theater.
Okay, and you, Sharma?
Me also for voice lessons. Way back before when I was high school, theater also.
Can you tell us how rehearsals go? How do you guys train?
During rehearsals, we are only asked to come here early and then we rehearse the steps with our choreographer, Joan Laigo.
But is there a specific weight, height to be able to become one of you girls?
At first, they set the standards of the height that we were supposed to be at least 5'6". But then I don't know what happened because a lot of us are not really 5'6".
Me, I'm 5'4".
You're 5'4", and then you are, well,
5'8".
obviously you're 5'8".
I pay for my own tuition fee because my mom is a single parent. So at the same time, the money that I earn here
goes to your tuition.
Yeah, for schooling.
But Asia Pacific is kind of expensive.
Not really. Maybe because it's just TRISM.
Okay.
But it's not. Because I have a scholarship there also. I'm a dean's lister and we get the privilege of getting a scholarship.
Okay. And you, Sharma, where does your money go to?
I save it for business and then I'm planning to go to school. I don't know. Maybe next time, I don't know.
Okay.
But I'm still saving because I have a lot of money to save.
Okay.
I can save.
So before entering the show, before taping actually starts, do you know where the money is?
No.
So you also don't know?
No.
Yeah.
Who knows?
I don't know. I don't think anyone knows because the suitcase, they have this suit before they can put the amount. So they really don't know where they put the millions.
Okay, and you also don't know what's in your suitcase?
No, we're not allowed to know.
Who prepares it?
The auditors.
Okay. Okay, well, I guess that's pretty much it. Sorry, how old are you, Sharmel?
Me, I'm 20.
That's so young. Is there anyone younger?
Yeah, 16.
Who's the 16-year-old?
Joyce, I think Joyce. Mimi.
And is she still in school?
Yeah.
But how does that go with school and stuff? Does it clash?
I don't know. Depends, no? Chloe, ikaw. Paano ba? Estudyante? I'm not a student. I don't know.
Yeah, most of the time, yes. But because I'm in college, so my schedule is really irregular.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get off at around 12 and then I come here.
Right.
Okay, so hi.
Hi.
I'm sorry, what's your name? Yeah, I'm interviewing them for Inquirer.net, and I found out now you're also a student.
Yeah, I am. I just came from school. I'm actually late.
Are you the 17-year-old or the 16-year-old?
No, I'm 19.
Oh, you're 19. So you're also in college.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mambo.
Mambo pa?
Okay, go ahead.
Deal or no deal?
Okay.
Yeah.